earlier, when the sun was blaring down, I went ahead and I did my unboxing for Carz Deluxe Design. Now, he's a 3D printer for the Neon and Caliber SRT-4. He sent me out a box filled with some goodies to do a unboxing, review, and an install. But today we're not going to be doing the install, we're just going to go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what he sent to me. He is on Instagram and Facebook, so I'll leave all his links in the description below. Let's just get into this unboxing and get into it. Now, Curtis is the inventor, I guess you could say, for a few different products for the Neon SRT-4. He does have some products for the first gen Neon, and he has some for the Caliber SRT-4. Now, if you guys own a Caliber, go ahead and hit him up if you guys have some design ideas, and he'll go ahead and 3D print them. Now, these are his fog lights. These are LED fog lights. So let's just go ahead and unbox this once again, because I want to show you guys exactly what's inside the box, because earlier the sun got my camera too hot and it overloaded and shut off on me, so all my footage gone. Now, these, you guys, are direct fit, just like the OEM fitment, because the fact that he 3D prints these rings that go around the housing of the fog lights, and then he also has these adapters that would normally bolt up to the original stock placement of the OEM fog lights. He also makes these clips right here. These clips are 3D printed and they fit factory OEM harness clips, so you don't have to worry. This is all plug and play.
Alright, a little brightness test. This is the OEM fog light plug.
He does have a Facebook, an Instagram, and an eBay store. Now, these are the smoke gray. He offers 6 different colors. He does have clear, he has yellow, he has the smoke gray. Let's look at all the other colors that he offers. Now, this is his eBay store. If you come over here and you slide, you can see that is his car in the background. He has a few pictures. There's 6 different colors you can choose from. There is a pull down menu where you can pick cold white, smoked, orange, amber, lime green, or dark purple. So it's that easy. I'll leave this link in the description below. There you go, you guys. Look at those bad Larrys. Those are some quality 3D printed factory fit piece of equipment for the Neon SRT-4. I will go ahead and do a install video for this piece, which is for the aftermarket wheel. This is actually that little adapter piece he offers, so if you guys are interested in this, he has this in his eBay store also. I'm not going to open it right now, but this is a shift knob that he sent to me, so I think I'm going to go ahead and send it and try to go ahead and install it and see what it looks like. And then if you take everything out, he also sent me a sticker because I told him that I love stickers. And he also sent me his business card. So I do appreciate that, Curtis. I will say, you guys, it's not something cheap, and I really like how he designed this. A lot of thought into it. Looks like he also sent me an Allen for the side of the housing. That way they can be tilted. So you got Allens on that side and this side. They do move, so that's cool. Honestly, you could see the ring that he fits on the housing is exact fit. There is no cheap design here. I gotta say, dude, Curtis, you did a really good job. So I'll do an install video at Ricardo's shop sometime in the next week or so. Go follow him. His links are in the description, and subscribe if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about these fog lights, because if I could, I would rock them personally. But since I have Johnny Boost fog light deletes, I can't really do that. Maybe I'll talk to him in the future and have him go ahead and make me some sort of mod to go ahead and fit on Johnny Boost fog light deletes. So I don't know, we'll see what happens in the future, you guys. Stay tuned. Peace.